Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials you need to send and receive messages, your account status, and a working network. Once signed in, check Wi-Fi and cellular bars. Make sure airplane mode is off. Restart the messaging app and the device to reset temporary errors, and clear the app cache if a persistent glitch remains. These steps fix most basic failures fast, so do them now before moving to deeper settings and provider checks. You now dig into app and OS settings to uncover misconfigurations that stop delivery. Make sure notifications, background data, and contact permissions are enabled. This keeps the app able to fetch messages. Check for blocked contacts, conversation mutes, and spam filters that may hide incoming messages. Once done, verify account sync and any message forwarding or delivery report settings so incoming traffic isn't redirected or suppressed. These detailed checks catch subtle causes that simple restarts miss. You finish by eliminating external and last resort causes. Update the app and operating system, then test messaging or reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If problems persist, collect delivery timestamps and any error codes, and contact your carrier or app support for network-side checks. Make sure you back up messages before a factory reset. Only reset if support recommends it. If a reset fixes things.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.